Okay, testing out the pure video mode here on the Insta360 Ace Pro. I am exiting the park here at Walt Disney's Epcot, and it's pretty dark except for the glow from the cafe here or the stores. Beautiful looking scenery. We're gonna walk over and see if we can get a peek at the new Walt Disney statue. I think they got it roped off, but I think I can show you guys what it looks like by climbing up on top of this. All right, off in the distance, let me zoom in. Right there, off in the distance. It's in the dark, so it's kind of a good test to see if you guys can see that. Alright. And now here's the Epcot ball. There's a glisten that comes off of the concrete. Look at that beautiful Epcot ball at nighttime. Here at Walt Disney World's Epcot. The park closes at 9 and they shut down all the shops. They shut down all the walk-up services. There was one gift shop that was still available. But take a look at that beautiful looking ball, and they change the colors on it all the time. It's still about 91 degrees here on this Florida night. Beautiful summer season here in Florida. Look at that beautiful structure. It's called Spaceship Earth. If you've never ridden it, I recommend it. It's kind of a learning experience ride. It's a slow one, goes pretty slow, but it educates you on progress of how we have evolved as human beings. And it does make you think. And since it's like the first ride here at the entrance of the park, it usually tends to get a little bit busy. Alright, I'll go ahead and end this video with a cool shot of Spaceship Earth.